You should totally buy a pack of these turkey legs to make in the air fryer. All you need to do is pat them dry, brush on some melted butter or olive oil, and then you're going to season it all over with either your favorite barbecue rub or poultry blend seasoning. Then pop it in the air fryer at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. And just let it rest a few minutes so those juices can settle and enjoy. I find the skin comes out nice and crispy and the inside is tender. Make sure they're cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Cheers!